Hello everyone, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few 5-minute crafts hack and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to both our channels. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, in a pan I added 1 cup of water. Once it starts boiling, I added 1 dabba of Pringles. Then mash the chips in water and cook till it thickens. Honestly, it was smelling very bad. But after 5 minutes only, the texture was almost like a mashed potato and it was very thick. No measurements were mentioned, so I just eyeballed them. Switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. It's very sticky as well. I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper powder on top like we do on a mashed potato. Let's taste it now. Okay, that wasn't good at all. It's very lumpy and doughy. Also ऐसे लग रहा था I'm just eating semi-cooked cornflower की slurry. Technically it's that only क्योंकि chips में potato के साथ cornflower भी होता है. It's super bland, feels very raw and weird. Please do not try this at home. I didn't like it at all. I feel bad कि मैंने एक पूरा डब्बा Pringles का waste किया. So for me this hack was clearly busted. For the next hack, which looks decent, first I'm going to cut the zucchini. They haven't shown any technique, but I'm assuming ऐसे ही pockets बनाए होंगे. So first, I place 2 chopsticks for reference so that I don't cut the zucchini. I just want to give slits. Make sure you make thin slices and make them as even as possible. Once I have the slits, now I'm going to cut it into slices. I know it's confusing but थोड़ा देख के समझ जाएगा. Now I'm going to give alternate slices, मतलब it's easy. 2 slits के बाद मुझे cut करना है so that I get a pocket in between the zucchini like so. Then in a bowl I have seasoned minced chicken. Just take half a teaspoon and fill it inside the zucchini pocket. Looks very unique. Now crack an egg in a bowl. Whisk it well. Dip the stuffed zucchini into the egg wash and add it into hot oil. Deep fry from both the sides until golden. Flip it midway. Then take it out. Remove it on a wire rack and let the excess oil drip out. Then serve with any sauce you like. Looks very unique and it's something I've never had before, so I'm quite excited to taste it. Also, I'm not a huge fan of zucchini. Sirf pasta mein I can have. But let's taste this one now. Wow, that is surprisingly so good. It's crispy from the edges and very moist from the center. The zucchini and the minced chicken combination is really tasty. The chicken is also not dry at all. It's very moist because of the zucchini. If you skip the deep frying and bake or air fry it, I'm sure this will be a very healthy and tasty snack. You should definitely try it out. It was a success. For the next hack, I couldn't find the grated Parmesan cheese. So here I have a block of Parmesan. I'm going to grate it into fine powder. This block is very crumbly, so you can crumble it with your hands also. If you find it ready-made, use that only. Spread it out on a plate. Then let's keep it aside. In a plate, I have melted butter. Then I'm taking a whole corn on its cob. I'm going to poke a skewer into it. I'm using a steel skewer like the video. We have to poke it from the flat part of the cob. Then dip the corn in butter. Roll and coat it अच्छे से. We need a thick coat of butter. Then dip it into grated Parmesan cheese. हर जगह से coat नहीं हो रहा था as the corn was absorbing a lot of butter very fast. So I just sprinkled and added the cheese ऊपर से. I also boiled the whole corn क्योंकि raw bake किया तो it might not cook properly and become very chewy. Once I coated the entire corn with cheese, transfer it on a baking tray. I've lined it with silicone mat. Remove the skewer and bake it. Again, no time was mentioned. So I baked it until the cheese melted and became slightly golden brown, which by the way took 15 to 18 minutes. And now the corn looks amazing and smells divine. The cheese has formed a thick layer around the corn which sealed the butter inside only. इससे क्या हो गया, corn dry नहीं हुआ and was very moist and soft. And honestly, this is the best tasting corn on cob I ever had. It's buttery, it's cheesy and just perfect. The cheese is very crispy and the soft corn just bursts in your mouth with beautiful juices. Absolutely loved it. Give it a try. It was a big hit. For the next hack, I'm cutting a rice paper into strips. Then cut this strip from center. थोड़ा diagonally cut करना. Then take these two diagonally cut strips and place it in plus position. Then place a cheese cube in center and fold it to make a parcel. Of course, the rice paper is thick and it's sturdy, so you can't fold it easily like their video. And it was also breaking when you fold it. So I applied a bit of water on the paper and I let it become soft for a minute. Then again I placed the cheese in center. Now you can easily fold the paper to form a parcel. Cover the cheese very well and seal it so that the cheese doesn't ooze out. Actually they did mention the cheese as well. तो एक में मैंने processed cheese डाला और दूसरे में I added mozzarella cheese. Now I added it into hot oil and I let it fry until golden brown. As soon as I turned it, दो में से जो mozzarella cheese था वो पूरा ooze out हो गया and it bursted in oil and ruined it. Anyway, I removed it out after frying. Let's see how it tastes. जो mozzarella cheese वाले rice paper parcels थे, they are empty. There's absolutely no cheese inside. Also, you can see how oily the rice paper is. It's very rubbery and chewy. The processed cheese one was thoda sa better, but still it was very chewy. It had no flavor, ekdam hi bland tha. Didn't like it at all, so this hack was busted for me. For the next hack, I'm peeling one banana. In total, I'm going to use 2 bananas here. Then break it in half and dip the half into melted dark chocolate. Similarly, repeat the same for the other 3 halves. Then transfer it into a blender and blend it to smooth consistency. Clearly, this batter is nowhere near to being a cookie dough. You can see how runny it is. It's more like a milkshake. It's already a fail क्योंकि video में you can clearly see the जुगाड़. But still I wanted to try and bake it and see कोई magic या miracle होके it becomes like a cookie. So I added a ladle full of batter on the silicone mat. मैंने ऐसे 4-5 cookies बनाने का try किया. Looks very weird, but it's fine. I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I removed it out and just look at this. It's obviously not a cookie. It looks more like tar जो रास्ते पे लगाते हैं. Smells also very weird. Taste तो दूर की बात है. The texture is very wobbly and jiggly. पहले तो ये मैट से निकल ही नहीं रहा था, but then मैंने knife से थोड़ा सा निकाला and you can see it's not even risen. पूरा ये जो है it's banana, so it's clearly busted. After so long, most of the hacks were busted, but I had a lot of fun trying these hacks today. Let me know your feedback about it. Also send me the hacks you want me to try out. Today's shout out goes to Subia Shaheen, Tina Kashyap and Vaishnavi Pavi. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook @HungerPlants and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.